Hey, are you going to say hi to her? You better come here. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2.
Fine. Here you go.
Are you being mean to me?
No.
It sounds like you are.
What is that?
Nice try. Sounds like you're being mean.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom.
I forgive you. Can you say hi to Valerie?
Hi.
Can you sing her the Elmo song?
Yeah.
Sing it.
He's not talking.
Well, she's not on here. We're making her a video.
Let me see.
No, you have to wait till you sing first, and then I'll show you the video of you singing.
Okay.
Sing.
Elmo song. Wait.
That's not how it goes. Give me the thing and sing your song. Sing.
Elmo song. Elmo song. Oh, what a music. Oh, what it was. That's Elmo song. Oh, yeah.
Say bye.
Wait.
Wait, say bye first. Say bye first. Say bye.
Bye. No one let me see.
Hold on.